I gotta break some of the sealant off over here. See how hard that stuff got? It did such a good job of sealing against that.
Who would have thought? The bop, yeah.
Right?
And
That is cool.
all Julie's paper and my riser. The top riser I left unsealed. Remember I did the water glass and the Portland cement seal on them? I just wanted to see, but it appears that that sealant that I used to glue them together did a bang up job. Yeah. We're gonna have to get rid of all this ash.
Yeah.
I wonder if this is glued too good or... And part of my riser got left on that.
Yep.
It glued it to it. That sucks. It worked good.
Darn it, if we hadn't lifted it. Huh, if we just left it in place and hadn't lifted it. But isn't it kind of nice to look at it and be like, that's the part that worked?
It's all glued together. Can you see down it?
Uh-huh.
It worked perfectly.
It did. It worked
It's
awesome.
helped hold out and everything. It's amazing.
Where I had glued it to the top refractory mix with that fire stop sealant, it did pull my refractory mix apart a little. But I'm just going to make sure I line it up and put more on and put it right back where it goes.
Okay.
I'm happy with it. I'm not going to
Mess with it?
I'm not going to take this. This is a good riser.
So the aircrete worked?
Mm-hmm.
The aircrete worked. You know what? The aircrete and that refractory mix is super hard. You know, where you can see the sealant, some of it was, you know, against my refractory mix and came off, and there's some, but I mean, it's super hard. The water glass in it did its job. I think in training, that water glass in that mix was awesome. It worked. I think the seal that I put on the portal worked even better than that one, because I used like a whole pint of water glass and I just soaked it and soaked it. I let it totally saturate it. And then I put the Portland cement around and just coated it with it, and oh my gosh, it is gorgeous. I want to get some light coming up from the other end. Did that help at all? Can you see my finger?
No.
Oh. Because that's just ash.
I see a stick.
Yeah. I mean, holy cow. Look at the inside of that refractory. That looks so good down that riser too.
What you doing, Mel?
Playing with water glass.
Why?
Because when we took this apart, it was kind of like cemented together, and so we had to like break it.
She wanted to clean under it, I guess.
Well, I figured you wouldn't want pebbles between them.
So, Julie, what's all over the floor?
My heat riser. We were coming in, we'd already put the water glass on the exposed parts that had come off with the connecting caulk. The connecting caulk was so stiff that it ripped a little bit of the heat riser, just little teeny tiny bits. And so we had put water glass in it to seal that off, and I was bringing the Portland cement in to put that on and let it dry, just like Darwin said. And when I picked it up from the top one instead of, you know, just leaving it where it was. I picked up from the top one, and the caulking gave way in between the others, and I completely destroyed my perfectly functional heat riser at the end of the project. So it's not that they broke, it's that they just came apart. And so Darwin just decided that he's going to do it again.
Look at that one. It like actually just...
Yeah, it just pulled out.
Yeah, it did.
It's a Do Carpenter. You know what? I'm actually glad that she dropped it a little bit. They're just a skosh brittle that I don't like. And I have some tests that I'm doing right now that are on their way to curing out that are going to be way better anyway.
Not that you have functional, because they're so functional.
Yeah, I mean, they're functional. They worked great. They held up to the heat. There was nothing wrong with them. Just, you know, if you have a wife or somebody who beats stuff around and drops it, I mean, you need them to be a little more durable.
I have bonked things a couple times.
You have something brown on your nose.
Have you been playing in the soot?
You think I'm going to put water glass on my face? You're wrong.
You really do have something on your nose!
If you guys like what we're doing here, go ahead and hit the thumbs up at the bottom and like it. And hit the subscribe button as well. And we will keep them coming. Because I have some projects that some air Crete projects that I'm working on right now that I think you guys are going to be really, really interested in.